Alright guys. Ooh. Alright guys, so big news. I just hopped on the computer. It is 7:20 and we are eligible to apply for monetization now. We are 8 hours over finally because they've been a little bit behind. Hey guys, big moment. Let's do it. Oh man, it's been such a long time coming. 1,740 subscribers. We've got like 205 videos. Yeah man, it's been a hell of a grind. Just signed up for the Google AdSense, so I guess it takes a little time for them to to go over it and accept it or something. I guess it's just kind of like a waiting game now.
But we there.
Yeah, but we're getting the process going, so shit's exciting. We're not gonna be making like nothing crazy or nothing like that in the beginning or in for a while. I don't expect money out of this. It's a big milestone because it's something. It's all about you guys. If you're watching the videos, it's all about watch time. That's what YouTube wants, especially when we're monetized. And if you guys keep watching, that's supporting me the best you can, so I appreciate that. Definitely gonna have to set up a giveaway soon. Oh yeah. Yo, what up guys? Alright, so no one guessed it, but it's a workbench. I guessed it actually.
I was gonna say, you guessed
it. Like, it was literally the first guess I made. It was a workbench for the garage and stuff. I just know, man. I just be knowing
what
shit.
the fuck, man?
So I was at Harbor Freight buying like tools and stuff, and I was at the checkout, and I looked to my right, and I see boxes. Like, she didn't buy it at Harbor Freight, but I see boxes exactly the same size and strapped the same way, and it just looked heavy as fuck, so I'm like, workbench. So I was right, guys. I was right. I don't want to do too much babbling, but if you guys are looking for parts, I'm gonna tag my new IG. I think it's called like Bussin' Sales or Bussin' Sells or something. I'm gonna be putting up everything, from TSX parts and other shit I sell too. But right now I have a lot of parts, so I'm trying to, get rid of that. But I'm gonna be posting like a lot of various things. Enjoy this vlog. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish coming back with some updates of the TSX. Big news, big things are happening. We got some big shipments that just came in. I'm about to take them out, unbox it, kind of show you guys. One thing's gonna go on tomorrow, which are my coils. I'm supposed to be doing that tomorrow. This vlog's gonna be before that, and then the coil video should be right after. So leave a thumbs up, guys, subscribe. A bunch of content coming, a lot of things for the TSX. So let's go get the stuff. BC coils, one package of side skirts, last box. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the lip kit, unbox this hoe. We always gotta do this unboxing video because you guys remember last time I ordered a Mugen wing. It wasn't from the same guy, I believe, but ordered a Mugen wing, and that shit came beat the fuck up, and the guy didn't want to do really shit about it. It worked out in my favor in the end, so I was pretty happy about that. Sadly, I don't have a Mugen wing anymore, so. Dangerous. So this is actually wrapped pretty nicely, guys. Like, there's enough protection, seems like. So, I mean, guy seems like he knows how to ship his shit. lip. There was a crack repaired right here, as you can tell. On this side, definitely gonna need a little bit Bondo work and whatnot. Yeah, I mean, rear lip. It takes forever to unbox. It's like, this guy packages this shit mad good. I ain't gonna lie, guys. Unlike my wing that was packaged, that shit was just, I don't know. Alright guys, so that is the full EuroR lip kit unboxed. It is the light blue color, so I do need to get it repainted and a little bit of body work done. It's not too bad, just a couple areas and like re-strengthen the tabs.
Ooh. Gonna look good. That's so nice, man.
Oh yeah, guys, oh yeah.
Shit. Woo.
Guys, now unboxing the BC coils. See how these Johns look. Product warranty, all that. This is just nice packaging overall. Everything's like, you know, standard except the extreme lows.
Ooh.